Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If your vehicle is in need of a high quality, high amperage 12-volt battery, then you might want to check out this one here from Odyssey. This is one of the most powerful Group 31 12-volt batteries that you can buy. It is a super dense, deep cycle battery, and it has a really high amperage output, so it's perfect for running heavy duty accessories. This is the marine version that has the extra post, so this can be used in a variety of vehicle types, different applications, including boats, trucks, RVs, and more. We chose to install this battery as part of a dual battery system in a heavy towing and off-road pickup truck. So this battery runs the winch and other high amperage accessories and has no trouble at all. The Odyssey is extreme temperature tolerant and it is vibration resistant, so it makes it perfect for all kinds of adventures. No matter what you're doing, it's going to be able to stand up to it. So if you're looking for a high quality battery for all of your next vehicle adventures, then I think the Odyssey is definitely the way to go, and that's my point of view.